Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is going to be very important for you because in this video I will show you the cutoff for INICT last year Jan session for AIMS Delhi. AIMS Delhi is the topmost medical college for PG education as well as UG education, and is so much in demand. So it's great to know what was the cutoff for last Jan session. Accordingly you can plan, and based on that you can have an idea what should be your rank in order to get particular branch. So before we proceed with the video, I urge you to subscribe this channel if you are new to the channel. In the description I have given link for Telegram and very some important ebooks which you can download to get an idea about the last year cutoff and previous year cutoffs for DNB deemed universities, and private colleges, mostly open state private colleges, so that you know what is the tuition fee and expected cutoff, last year cutoff, and other details. If you want to subscribe our paid services, we do provide paid services as well for NEET PG, INICET, and other counseling processes like DNB and ANB diploma. So in that we will guide you through the counseling process starting from the day you subscribe until you have option for the counseling, and we let you know about all the information which you need, like the way in the order you do need to do the choice filling, what are the options available for you in other states, and what would be the fee, what are the colleges good for your preferred branch, and all the information that you need for the counseling process, so that you end up getting the best possible pick from the possibilities through the counseling process. So you can avail that service, and it comes with a minimal charge. So let's get started with the topic for the today's video, and for I'm going to tell you about the general category, what was the cutoff last year for Jan session. For other category like EWS, OBC, SC and ST, UR, MRC, you can take a screenshot or save it in your gallery. So for general medicine, the top demanding branch got closed on just rank of 4. So the toppers only would get this branch in AIMS Delhi. Radio diagnosis, the cutoff was 12. Ophthalmology 210. Pediatrics got closed on 36 rank. Dermatology, people got up to 106 rank. Orthopedic surgery up to 82 rank. General surgery 10, and geriatric medicine 117, psychiatry 358, infectious disease 166. You need to know that in AIMS Delhi there are so many branches compared to other AIMS Raipur, Bhubaneswar, Bhopal and other Rishikesh. So here you have so many options to go for, clinical as well as non-clinical. Emergency medicine got closed on rank of 247 for general category. Nuclear medicine on rank of 213. Anesthesia 388. ENT 263. Pediatric surgery 292. Pathology 931. So you can expect up to 1000 rank. Also you can have a chance to get pathology in AIMS Delhi. The good part here is you will get a stipend around 1 lakh or more than that. That is a big amount. And talking about the biophysics, 440. Physical medicine and rehabilitation 858. Palliative medicine 1342 rank. Lab medicine 1638. Microbiology 1549. Anatomy 2845. Physiology, biochemistry, these are all non-clinical branches, but based on your interest and future planning you can go ahead to choose, because it's one of the top AIMS Delhi is the topmost medical college for any branch. You can, there are other AIMS and other government colleges where you can find some branches are better than AIMS, but for overall holistic point of view, AIMS is the topmost medical college in India for medical education, AIMS Delhi. So these are the cutoff. You can have a look of the cutoff of SC and ST. Okay, so I will be posting the videos for all other AIMS and JIPMER Pondicherry, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Jodhpur, AIMS Bhopal, AIMS Rishikesh, and other AIMS. I will be posting you cutoff so that the examination is going to have held on 22nd of July, and in prior you have an idea how far you need to how much effort more you need to put in your preparation to cross the borderline to get a particular branch. And once you are done with the examination, then you can come at us, and you can call us on our contact number 9319128677. We are available on WhatsApp also, and you can reach us for the counseling guidance. So there we can help you out what will be the expected cutoff and which AIMS and JIPMER you can go for particular branch interested. And this preparation, even if you don't get any college allotted through INICT, it will further help in NEET PG counseling process, and your preparation will be helping in NEET PG preparation, NEET PG examination. Okay, so with this I am going to end this video. If you like the video, if you have liked the content, you go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions, you want us to create a video on some other topic, you can write us in the comment box. So thanks for watching, and all the best wishes from our side. Have a nice day.